Alright, here we are again. We're in the plant this time. We're going to do a ProPress repair on a 2-inch hot water return line. You can see I got the stuff ready to rock here. Got the ProPress equipment and the jaws. And we're going to do the repair right up here. You can see all that red tape is where I'm going to, we got little leaks there in the past, so I'm going to cut all that out right over here. Cut all that out and tie it back in right around that unit strut. This is a heat exchanger number 3, which is right over here. You get the cold water mixed with hot water to bring domestic hot water at the proper temperature according to the code for distribution. So here we go. Here, this is the system we got here down in the boiler room. This is a Liquitech deionization system. These are 500 horsepower boilers. Alright, well, I'm start getting to work now. Get it going.